Hey, Jake with B&H, and we just got to play with the new Panasonic Lumix S PRO 70-200 f2.8. And that f2.8 is a very important distinction. Panasonic already has a 70-200 f4, but if you shoot portraits or weddings and events, this fast f2.8 lens is really the one you want to pair up with your full-frame Panasonic mirrorless camera. As my colleague Doug said just a few weeks ago when this product was announced, this is one of those must-have zoom ranges to keep in your camera bag. Everything looks good when you compress space and have beautiful bokeh surrounding your subject, drawing your eye in exactly where to look. Let's talk about image quality. A constant f2.8 maximum aperture maintains consistent illumination throughout the zoom range and affords a greater control over your depth of field. The optics layout incorporates several aspherical and low dispersion elements in order to minimize chromatic and spherical aberrations throughout the zoom range for higher clarity, sharpness, and accurate rendering. A double focus system employs both linear motor and a stepping motor to deliver impressively fast, precise, and quiet autofocus performance. A focus clutch mechanism has also been incorporated on the front barrel, which allows for near instant AF and MF switching. Optical Image Stabilizer minimizes the appearance of camera shake for sharper handheld shooting and also supports the Dual I.S and Dual I.S 2.0 functions for increased stabilization performance up to approximately 7 stops, which is quite impressive for handheld shooting. Side note for video shooters, the focusing system has been designed to suppress focused breathing for greater versatility if you're shooting video. Check it out. The size of the lens is significant, but when you pair pro-level performance and high image quality, volume tends to follow. It weighs about 3.5 pounds and it's just about 8 inches long. There are 3 function buttons on the barrel for intuitive focus control and a focus range selector switch on the side if you want to get closer to your subject. Splash dust and freeze-proof design benefits working in inclement weather conditions down to -14 degrees. So you can take this to North Pole, I guess, if you want. I mean, I wouldn't, because who wants to go there? It's cold, dark this time of year. Anyways, compatibility. Designed to be used with the Lumix S series of cameras like the DC-S1, DC-S1H, and the DC-S1R, which is what we're shooting with today. If you shoot sports or wildlife, I would highly recommend picking up one of their adapters, either the 1.4 times or the 2 times, for an extended focal range of 98 to 280 millimeters or 140 to 400 millimeters. So is this the lens you want to have in your bag for your next photo shoot? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to click subscribe to see more videos like this and hit that notification button so you get notified when we release a new video. This is Jake with B&H. Just keep rolling.